In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan any file with Microsoft Defender. If you ever download a file and want to make sure it's safe before opening it, Microsoft Defender gives you a quick built-in way to check it right from Windows. This is especially useful for files you've received from the internet, email attachments, or anything that seems unfamiliar. To get started, open File Explorer and locate the file you want to scan. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct file, especially if you have several similar downloads in the same folder. Once you've found the file, right-click it to open the context menu. In that menu, choose Scan with Microsoft Defender. On some versions of Windows, this option may appear as Scan with Microsoft Defender Antivirus. The wording can vary slightly, but it performs the same function. After you select that option, wait while Microsoft Defender scans the file for viruses, malware, and other potential threats. The scan usually only takes a few moments, although larger files may take a little longer. During this step, just let the process finish so you can get accurate results. When the scan is complete, review the results carefully. If no threats are found, that means Microsoft Defender did not detect anything suspicious in the file, and you can simply close the results window. If a threat is detected, you'll usually be given a recommended action. Common options include quarantine, remove, or allow. Quarantine isolates the file so it can't cause harm, while remove deletes it. Allow should only be used if you fully trust the file and understand why Defender flagged it. In most cases, it's best to follow the recommended action unless you're absolutely certain the alert is a false positive. If you want more information about a detected item, open Windows Security. From there, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and then open Protection History. This section lets you review recent scan results, see what was detected, and confirm what action was taken. It's a helpful place to double-check things if you close the pop-up too quickly or want more detail about the threat. If you have other files you want to check, just repeat the same process for each one. This is one of the easiest ways to manually verify individual files without running a full system scan. And that's how to scan any file with Microsoft Defender quickly and safely in Windows.